Mga kapuso, atong ilailahon kining 4 anyos nga si Sid Miguel Miggy Iboho, ang cute na bibong wonder kid dito sa Bohol.
Ginaig si Miggy gumikan sa extraordinary abilities.
Busa mga kapuso, atong sayran ang giingong pinalahi nga abilidad ni ining wonder kid sa Bohol. Ini ang report.
Kahibaw siya mo ihap og 1 to 100 sa Russian. Kaya ninyo?
1,
I did
2,
1,
3,
3,
4,
3,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
She said, let's go back to 1,000.
Okay, 1,000.
Granted.
O di gani, muawit sa alphabet nga pinabali.
P-H-R-T-P.
O kahibaw siya kung pila tanan ang mga chapters sa matag libro sa Biblia.
Genesis,
50,
Exodus,
40,
Leviticus,
27,
Numbers,
36 on the bed,
Joshua,
24,
Judges,
16,
O mag-multiply pa. In Spanish.
9 times 8.
82,
Navy times Navy.
81,
City times city.
49,
5 times 8.
40.
Way nagtudlo kang Miggy og ingon niini nga mga impormasyon nga gikakurat bisan mismo sa iyang mga ginikanan.
He learned a lot of things, no, as a 2-year-old, far from normal compared to another children his age or his age group. And in fact, he was able to read and write as early as late 2 years. That really amazes us as parents.
Aba nabalaka sab ang magtiayon kung unsaon nila pagpadako ang bata, ilabi na nga mga first-time parents sila.
I keep on searching like interventions how to raise him as a normal child because I'm afraid that other people may not understand the way his ways.
Unya ang lain pagyud niyang pinalahi nga abilidad, mao nga kahibaw siya kung unsang adlaw ang imong birthday karong 2019 hangtod sa 2030. Kaya ba ninimo?
Unahon nato si Ate Ellen. When is your birthday?
What's your birthday?
July 9, 1976.
And what day is it?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. You got it right! Pakpak! February 24, 2019. What day was it?
Sunday. It's my second day.
Sunday.
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 Sa solar system, kahibaw siya sa composition sa mga planeta ug pila ka buok ang mga buwan niini.
So why Pluto is a dwarf planet?
He's a dwarf planet 2006. But he always farthest planet for the sun. He's small. Like Series Aries Makimaki na Maya.
Napakonsulta na sab si Miggy ug migawas nga very superior ang iyang IQ.
Miggy, he's 4 years old, but his IQ is in the upper extreme. It's safe to say that Miggy is a gifted child as far as his IQ is concerned.
Chelo Valiana, Balitang Bisdak.